Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch between light and dark themes in Trello. Customizing the appearance of your boards can make a big difference in your user experience. Once you're logged into your Trello account, look at the top right corner of your dashboard and click on your profile photo. This opens a menu where you'll find the theme option. Go ahead and click it. Here, you'll see 3 theme choices: light, dark, and match browser. The light theme is perfect for a classic, clean look. The dark theme is easier on the eyes during long hours of work. And the match browser option automatically adjusts Trello's theme based on your browser settings. Simply click the theme you prefer, and Trello will update instantly. Being able to switch between themes allows you to personalize your workspace, improve visibility, and work comfortably at any time of day. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your Trello boards match your style and preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy your customized Trello experience.